Hello everyone, good morning my dear students. I am Baidyanath Kundu, teacher of political science, Durgapur Government College. Today I am going to discuss about Lenin Rosa Luxemburg debate on party. This is for my students of political science honors, second semester honors, core 3, unit 5. Okay, let's start. Lenin Rosa Luxemburg debate on party. Two opposite views came from Lenin and Rosa Luxemburg on the role of the Revolutionary Communist Party in mass movement and revolution. Lenin emphasized on the need of a centralized political organization and a small hierarchically organized cadres party. Lenin changed the argument of the economist who held that the economic interest of the workers must be met first, and after that they would spontaneously fight for political struggle. Lenin said that the chief objective of the workers would be to capture political power and then emancipation from economic bondage would follow. He thought that the party must be iron party with military discipline. The central committee of the party would dominate the organization. The basis of the party should be democratic centralism. Lenin distinguished between trade union consciousness, which the workers could acquire spontaneously, and social democratic consciousness, which would be developed by the party. This means that the masses embody spontaneity, but the party embodies consciousness. Rosa opposed Lenin's assertion that a Jacobin who only identified himself with the organization of the proletariat was a revolutionary social democrat. She argued that the Jacobin tradition involved political principles opposed to Marxism. The organizational structure of the Social Democratic Party could not be based on blind obedience or mechanical subordination of members to the Central Committee. On the basis of this criticism, Rosa claimed that Lenin represented the ultra-centralist viewpoint. The party, guided by a closely knit central committee and cut off from the masses, would be transformed into a sect in the name of preserving the purity of principles. She said that social democracy was not bound up with the organization of working classes. Rather, it would be the every movement of the working class. Rosa attacked the idea of equal authority of the trade unions and the party. Trade union movement revealed the consciousness of the masses and so unions instead of party should be given more importance. Thank you.